Hi guys, so for this week's design, after you've applied your base coat, we are going to use a fan brush and 3 shades of purple. So I've just got this box here and I'm just going to use it to apply the colour so it's easier to pick up, and just tap in with the tip of the fan brush and make some quick strokes. Once you're happy with the coverage, I'm just going to apply this glitter holographic over the top. Next, using black and the dotting tool, we're going to create the 5-petaled flower in the corner of the nails and then do some rows of dots coming round the sides. Lastly, we're going to apply a silver rhinestone, just using a little bit of top coat.